Are you looking to create an Amazon Web Service account so you can take advantage of the free tier? Whether you are a first-time Amazon Web Service user or someone who has been using it for a while, you can take advantage of the free tier to get started with some of their most popular services. In this video, I will show you how to create an Amazon free tier AWS account in 5 easy steps. By the end, you will be able to use your new account to start developing application and storing data on the Amazon cloud. Follow these 5 easy steps and you will have your Amazon Web Service account up and running in no time. Hey, I'm Esteban, the Marketing Tips channel creator. In this channel, I will share tips to help affiliate marketers establish online business, including site building and driving traffic to make sales. If this is something that interests you, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you anytime I post updates to this channel. Since I value your time, let us dive into today's topic. The first step is to go to Google and write Amazon AWS and click enter. It seems that I wrote wrong word. It's proposing me to change it. I don't know where I write. Okay, so it is not ASW, it is AWS. So I have to change it to AWS. So I go here and click on search. After clicking search, I scroll down to see if I found the Amazon Web Service registration, but I can't find it. I will try here where it says Amazon AWS login. I click there and wait here. I don't need to wait much. Scroll down to find, yes, this is the one that I was looking for. Amazon Web Service sign in Amazon AWS, just to sign in. So I click it there and I'm redirected to this page. At this page, make sure that the root user is selected and you then put your email address after making sure that the root user is selected. Just put your email address. You write your email address here where it says root user email address and click where it says create a new AWS account. After clicking there, I'm redirected to this sign up form where I will start by filling in that form. The first field, I put my email address, followed by my username or my AWS account name. In this case, I will put my name, my personal name, which is Esteban. And then I click where it says verify email address. It says that I have to go to my email and get the code. I go here, click on it. I copy this code here, copy it, and go back to the sign up form, pass the code, and click on verify. Now Amazon has confirmed my email address, has successfully verified the email address, and then I have to put the password, the root user password, the first one, and the confirmation user password. And then click here where it says continue step 1 of 5. The next step is to provide our contact information. Here it shows that it's a free tier offer, but let us go to our many task here. We add the full name. In this case, I think I have to select here which account is this. This one is a personal. It's for my own use only. So I will put my name here, which is Esteban Junior. After putting my name, the next step is to select the country code. In my case, I'm based in Mozambique, and I will have to find Mozambique somewhere here. Yeah, here. My country code is +258, and then I put my phone number, and I select my country, the country where I'm based now, which is again is Mozambique. After that, I write the mail address of my permanent address or permanent home address. I put the seat. This is self-explanatory. I think all of us are able to fill in this area, and I put the state or province, and finally I put the postal code, and then I select I've read and agree to the terms, and just check a bit and click continue step 2 of 5. This step is for billing information. This pop-up is asking whether I want to save the data I entered. I click OK. I agree to save it, and I started filling in with my credit card. Don't be afraid of putting your credit card information here, because this is just for Amazon to have your billing information. You may end up using more than what they give you for free. So in this case, they will charge you. But it is, in most of case, you can use Amazon services for years without having to pay any bill. I always recommend you to check the AWS policies based on the email that they will send you, in order for you to learn what are your limits for use of their service as a free user. I can't tell you now the limits, because it depends on what exactly your final objectives. If you want it to use to send email, if you want it to store something. So there are several services you can choose from. So talking about all of them would make this video too long, and I just wanted to focus on creating the account and creating the key secrets. But I will share with you some tips during this video in order for you to find the limits for the service that you want to use. Let us continue filling in our billing information. Now it is expiration date of my credit card. I select the month and the year, and make sure that the billing address, use my contact address, is selected, and come here when it says verify and continue step 3 of 5 and click there. Now it's time to confirm our identity. We start by inputting the country, and then we put the phone number. For the country, we have to select from that arrow, and we look for Mozambique, which is the country that we have inputted in the beginning of our registration. So let us try to find Mozambique. It's here. We click there, and we now put the exact same phone number that we inputted during the beginning of this process, and then we input the security information check. This one is like any other security check. You just put the data. I hope I'm not missing any letter. I then click send SMS. So I have to go to my phone and check the code that the Amazon has sent to that number I have inputted, and pass that code here. Yeah, I now have the code. Let me pass the code here. Yeah, after passing the code, I click where it says continue stage 4 of 5. Oops, it seems that I inputted the wrong code. Let me check again on my phone. Okay, it was wrong. There is one number that was missing. Let me just change it. I change the number and I come again and click where it says continue step 4 or 5. Okay, now we'll end up at this support page where it says to choose which support plan we want, and then you know that we had this we had selected the free version. We actually have three options here. The developer support is 29 and the business support is 100 per month. But we selected this one, we want the free version. What we do is to make sure that we selected that version which says basic support dash free, and then we go down and click where it says complete sign up. Good. So it says congratulations, thank you for signing up for AWS. It says also that they are activating the account. It gives us opportunity to go directly to the AWS Management Console. But at this point, we just wanted to have the account ready. Let us see what we have in our email. So we have two emails. One is to confirm that we have the account set up already. For example, here it says, thank you for signing up to AWS Support Basic. You now have access to AWS Support Basic. There are plenty of other important information down here. One of the important information is that you can manage your account access keys. They also provide enough tutorial for you to learn what and how to do with the AWS. I really recommend you to read at least the first 3 emails that Amazon sends to you after you create your Amazon Web Service account. This will be helpful for you to learn what are your use limit and what will be the best procedure to get most out of your account. I also strongly recommend you to click the links and read what comes after the links. The other email that Amazon sends to you is to let you know that you have access to the 12 months free trial. But in reality, you can use this offer for free almost forever. I will show you in the next email where you can find an option for you to click and start having access to Amazon Web Service offers for free that do not expire. In the exact same email, Amazon shares few ways to start, which includes tutorials, building AWS console, and launch a simple cloud server. The last and the most important email is the welcome email. In this email, they welcome you and tell you that you have access for 12 months, and they provide you a link where you should right click on it, open in a new tab, and then check what they provide as information on that through that link. So you can see here we have the Amazon Web Service free trial. If you scroll down, you will see there's 3 services. One is free trial, the second one is 12 months free, And the third one is always free. So we will focus on the always free version. As I told you in the middle of this video, here is where you have to click to get access to the Amazon Web Service that does not expire. Now go ahead and click here where it says always free. Under explore top product category, you will find a bunch of products that Amazon provides that include computer, database, storage, containers, web and mobile apps, and machine learning. Below that, you have the free tier details. If you scroll down, you will find over 6 services that you can benefit from using your Amazon Web Service free tier. But I'm not going to go in detail with all of these services because it is almost out of the scope of this video. This video was conceived to share with you how to create the free tier. I will share separate videos with details on how to use each of those services during the next few days or weeks. If you were following the step I was showing in this video, at this point you should have your Amazon Web Service account created and ready to run. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.